Hi there, so in this video what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk a little bit about ClickFunnels. I'm going to sort of explain, if you're new to sort of funnels and online business, I'm going to explain sort of why you potentially need or want ClickFunnels. I'm going to show you, I'm going to go into my members area because I'm a member of ClickFunnels. I'm going to go into my members area, show you what it looks like. I'm going to show you what you get. I'm going to show you a little bit around so you get a feel of how it works. But also what I'm going to do at the end is I'm going to show you how much ClickFunnels is. So if you want to join ClickFunnels, you know what you're going to have to pay, but you know what you're going to get for that. So with that said, let's get on with it. So why do you need ClickFunnels as a business owner, especially if you run an online business? So basically, if you sell products and services online, such as if you're a coach, consultant, you want to do lead generation, you're selling courses, memberships, even online supplements, anything like that, you're going to need a landing page in order to do that. So whether you want to collect leads and build an email list, or you want to sell your products and services, you need a landing page. And if you don't know what a landing page is, but I'm sure you do, this is one I made earlier. This is one of mine where I sell an affiliate product. And you're going to need, and you use pages like this to sell products, whether you sell digital products, physical products, but also if you want to do lead gen pages can look a bit different to this, but you get the idea. You need landing pages if you want to sell products and services online. A landing page. End of. So, in a nutshell, if you want to sell products and services online, you need landing pages, whether you want to do opt-in pages to do lead generation and grow an email list, or you want to sell products and services. You just can't run an online business without it. And in my opinion, ClickFunnels is the easiest to use landing page builder out there. It's got a lot of functionality. The support is second to none, which I think is very, very important, because when you start using a tool like this, you're going to get stuck, especially if you're beginning. There's always going to be something that you're not sure about. Literally, with support, if I get an issue, I can drop a ticket in support and I'll get a response, usually within half an hour, often quicker. It's brilliant. And the thing is about ClickFunnels, the people behind it, Russell Brunson and his team, they're not in it for the money. They want to create impact. They want to help entrepreneurs grow a business and start making money online. So, yeah, you really, if you want to sell products and services online, you need a landing page and opt-in funnels, and hence you need ClickFunnels if you want to run a functional online business, or whether you're a coach, consultant, or whatever. You just do. There's no getting around it. Okay, so now you know why you need ClickFunnels. What does the members area look like? So this is my members area. I'm on the basic plan. And just to give you a little bit of information about what I do, I run an affiliate marketing business. It's a six-figure business, and these are all the different landing pages and sort of funnels I use to sell affiliate products. And here's one of the landing pages that I use in order to sell affiliate products. Very, very simple. And just to let you know, I mean, I'm at a stage now where I can get one of these pages up in less than 10 minutes, But obviously, if you're starting out, it might take you or two in order to get a page up, or especially if this is just a single page, but if you're doing a multi-page sales funnel, it might take you a day to get it up. But ClickFunnels is very, very easy to use. So this is the members area. This is where all your funnels are going to be. If you want to build a new funnel, literally you click on this, button here. And basically what it's going to do is it's just going to, so basically, depending whether you want to grow an email list or your product or host a webinar, you choose, and it will give you all the different templates you want. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go here and choose the funnel you want to use. So yeah, you just go through, pick a funnel, click it, and ClickFunnels will give you all of the templates you need in order to sell a product. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you kind of like how the editor works. So this is one of my funnels, it's a landing page. So if you want to edit the page, and this is editing a page, this is how you'll build your page as well. So if I click on it, it's going to take you in. just takes a while for the editor to load up. And this is what the editor looks like. You got all of the different sections here. And it's a modular thing. So basically you build, a page with blocks. So, if you want to add a new block, you just sort of click on here and it adds a new element. You can add elements. Very, very, if you don't need any coding or technical experience to do this. And then obviously it's a text editor. So you just start typing and, in goes, the landing page or all of your text. Very, very simple, very modular. You can put images in, you can put buttons in, you can put links in. Let me just show you. So yeah, you can set action and you just put your, your website link in there. Very, very simple. Yeah, very, very simple to use. I really, really like it. Actually, what I'll do is, let me just show you. If you want to add a new element, you just click on here and you can add new headline, subheadline text. You can add images, pop-ups, videos. You can put all sorts of elements in. Very, very easy. So it's really, really simple, to create a landing page. Once you get used to it, which is, you'll need a bit of time to get used to it, but once you get used to it, you'll be having your funnels and landing pages up in no time. And here's all of the settings. So if you want to, if you're building an opt-in page where all your integrations will go to, your autoresponder, which is the tool you use for, grow an email list, you can put optimize your pages for SEO. You've got tracking codes, so you can track all your things, blah, blah, blah. Very, very cool. So that is basically, that's basically the editor. Let's just leave that, just go out. So that's basically how the editor works. All modular, very, very easy. Great, I love it. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the pricing. So doesn't matter what plan you go on, you get a 14-day free trial. So if you want to join ClickFunnels, you get a free 14-day trial, which means you can build a funnel, have a play around with it, and in that 14 days you can cancel and you will never get billed. But obviously you really do need a landing page software. So really, if you go on a 14-day trial, you're gonna need to carry on. So that means you're gonna have to pay for it. So there's basically two plans and two ways you can pay. So if you want to do the monthly plan, which is totally cool, I'm on the basic plan, $97 a month. So after your 14-day trial, if you take the basic plan, you're going to be paying $97 a month. You might, if you're just starting your business and maybe you are making money, you might go, oh my God, $97 a month, that's a lot of money. That's actually really good value. And at the end of the day, if you want to run a business, you're going to have to have some tools and you're going to have to pay for them, especially with decent tools. So that's a good price. And obviously, if you're smart, you'll easily be able to make this back. If you've got a good business, especially if you're affiliate marketer, you'll make this back within a month. Easy peasy. If you can't make $97 a month, then but you will. So basically the base plan is $97 a month, and I'm just going to show you what you get. You get 20 funnels, 100 pages, 20,000 monthly visits, unlimited contacts, 1 sub user, free custom domains, free payment gateways, email support, and funnel flicks. But obviously, you can have the Platinum Edition as well, which is $297 a month. And this is where you unlock the full power of ClickFunnels. So the basic one is probably great if you're a beginner, you're getting started. But if you're running an established business, especially for 6 figures, or you got multiple staff, and you're going to want to unlock all the features of ClickFunnels. So the $297 Platinum option is right for you. So pretty much everything's unlimited. You get free sub users, 9 custom domains, 9 payment gateways, priority support, Funnel Flicks Platinum, which is all their marketing programs are, follow-up funnels, which is autoresponder, weekly hackathons, and Backpack. So if you want to allow affiliates to promote your products, you can use Backpack to do it. So those are the pricing options, but also you've got the annual plans as well. But why would you want to go annual? Well, You want to go annual if you know you want to commit to ClickFunnels and you know you got a business that you're going to be in for the long run and you want to use ClickFunnels. So annual does give you a discount. Obviously, if you go annual, you get 2 months free, so you're only paying for 10 months. So with basic, you're saving $194 a year. With platinum, you get, again, you're only paying for 10 months, so you save $194 a year. So yeah, and you know, ClickFunnels has got, you know, it's got a lot of raving customers. Usually if you're a ClickFunnels member, you're gonna love it. I love ClickFunnels. I've been a member now for 2 years. I really love it. Easy to use, just allows me what I want to do. Support's great. Yeah, it's just a great product if you want to get landing pages and funnels up and out there quick, backed up with world-class support. Also, if you pay, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can claim your money back. Obviously, with ClickFunnels Platinum, you get Funnelflix, which is their marketing platform. Absolutely great. You still get a 14-day free trial whether you do annual or monthly. So yeah, that is basically ClickFunnels. So the last thing I'll say, now is a great time to get into ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels 2.0 is dropping in October, which means not only are you going to be able to just build funnels in here, you're going to be able to do everything. You're going to be able to build a blog, a website, take payments. It's going to change the game. ClickFunnels is pretty much the #1 tool for building funnels online. You're going to be doing everything, kind of, you know, build websites, blogs. You're going to be able to build your whole business and have all of the tools in one place, saving you a fortune. So you never need to use another tool again, like an autoresponder or anything like that. So that is ClickFunnels, why you need it, how it works, what you get, and how much it costs. So if you know you want to try ClickFunnels, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link down in the description below. So basically you can either take a monthly membership or an annual membership. So if you want to join, click the links down below, lock in your 14-day free trial, and you will not look back. So anyway, hopefully you found the video useful, and I'll speak with you